The city of Los Angeles finally gets a proper subway system. We all have the same feeling of traveling in Los Angeles. This is going to take forever. With expansions coming to the Purple Line this fall, 2025, that may all be ready to change. The Purple Line will begin at the Union Station train station. First stop, the Civic Center. Here you'll find Los Angeles City Hall, the Gloria Molina Park, which is known as Grand Park, and off to the left, the notorious Los Angeles Federal Court System, where O.J. Simpson had his trial. The Purple D line will be expanding to Beverly Hills in 2026 and as far as Westwood in 2027. Next stop, Pershing Square. Here you can visit the Walt Disney Concert Hall, the Broad Museum, and the Last Bookstore. The next stop, the 7th Street Metro Center. This is the center for all things in downtown LA. You can visit the beautiful Bradbury Building, grab some lunch at Grand Central Market, and, of course, have a fun ride on the ever-popular Angel's Flight. Next stop, Wilshire, Vermont Station. This is currently the largest station in the Purple Line system, and it touts the longest escalator ride in the United States. The Vermont Station is an architectural gem, and there are many different architecture and churches in the area. But mostly it's a transit area, which you can find buses to take you to Hollywood. Next is the Wilshire Western Station. And as of summer 2025, the end of the line.
We've had enough of this nonsense.
And here's where things get interesting with the new frontier. First new stop, La Brea Avenue. From La Brea Avenue, you can take buses up to Melrose, Santa Monica Boulevard, and Sunset. Next up is Fairfax Avenue. Known as Museum Row, you can explore the Academy Award Museum, the Peterson Automotive Museum, and the Los Angeles County Museum. Next is Wilshire, La Cienega. From here, you're on your way to Restaurant Row, the Beverly Center, and West Hollywood.
We've had enough of this nonsense.
And then the final stop for the 2025-26 extension, Beverly Hills.
I can't believe I've never really looked at this before. It's like a hidden oasis. This city, it's always been here, waiting for me to see it, to really see it. Every corner holds a surprise, a story waiting to be discovered. This isn't the end, it's just the beginning. There's so much more to explore, to understand. I've lived here my whole life, but today I finally saw my city. Tomorrow I'll take another route, discover another hidden gem. This city, my city, it's full of stories waiting to be uncovered.